Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can get 80's look for our photos with AI effect in CapCut application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and here I have added my photo to this CapCut project. And first of all, we can click on the photo and we have to click on the style option and go to the AI photo category, and we have to find the 80's effect. Click on this 80's glamour effect to apply this effect to our our photo, and we just need to wait until the process completed. We have to wait until 100%, and as you can see, that is still loading. Okay, and now the style has been applied, and this is how it looks. This is the 80's effect in CapCut, and that's how we can get 80's look for our photo with CapCut AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.